So each person's determined primarily by their income, by their philosophy, not economy. So may mga tao, work na lang ako not to economy. No, we have to work to determine the value of ourselves. We have to go to work because some few ideas doesn't make a big difference to create great ideas. So great ideas in socials, in personal. So napaka-importante na we go to work by ourselves para matutunan natin yung iba't ibang klase ng ideas na kung saan pwede natin gamitin ito para mag-create ng great difference sa buhay natin. Kasi kung hindi tayo magkakaroon ng iba't ibang experience para magkaroon ng iba't ibang knowledge, hindi natin makikita how valuable we are. Kaya kailangan through experience, through our work, having a different ideas, makaka-create tayo ng gusto nating income by the knowledge or ideas that we have. At napaka-importante yon. Kasi dun natin makikita how valuable we are. Depends on what we know, on what ideas that we have, at what can give value to the world. Napaka-importante na naiintindihan natin at na malalaman natin, yes, people create their incomes by their philosophy. We have to understand that. But we have to also to understand that by going to work by ourselves, we created different ideas that makes us value na pwede natin ma-apply sa buhay natin. At pwede tayong makaka-create ng income na gusto natin. So, na kailangan natin matutunan ang iba't ibang bagay or magkaroon ng iba't ibang ideas sa lahat para ma-contain natin kung ano talaga yung kailangan natin para ma-create tayo or makita natin na yung talagang value na meron tayo. Hope you learn something. Thank you everyone and God bless.